Today I'm going to teach you how to find an Amazon seller storefront URL link. This is incredibly useful when you want to browse all products from a specific seller or share their entire store with someone else. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. This step ensures you have full access to all the features and seller information available on the platform. After logging in, direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the page. Click on it and type in the product you're looking for, then hit enter. This will bring up a list of search results related to your query, showing you various options from different sellers across Amazon. Now take a moment to browse through the results that appear on your screen. Look for the item or product that catches your interest and click on it. This action will take you to the product detail page, where you'll find all the information about that specific item, including images, descriptions, pricing, and most importantly, the seller details. Once you're on the product page, look carefully beside the product image. You'll notice a link that says Visit the Store. This is the key to accessing the seller's complete storefront. Go ahead and click on that link. This will redirect you to the seller's dedicated store page, where you can explore their entire catalog of products and offerings. After the page loads, shift your focus to the top of your browser window. Here, you'll see the URL displayed in the address bar. This URL is the direct link to the seller's storefront. You can now copy this link and use it whenever you want to return to this store or share it with others who might be interested in browsing products from this particular seller. And there you have it. You've successfully located the Amazon seller storefront URL link, making it easy to access or share the seller's complete product range whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.